Hello everyone, welcome to the fresh video cast episode of Cozy Conversations. And I think अभी तक आते आते मेरे audience को इतना तो पता चल ही गया होगा that I am into women empowerment. And having said that, I'm not perfect, so I have my own flaws, but I am trying to work. I'm trying to, take a few steps here and there towards women empowerment. And for me, I feel that women empowerment तभी successful होगा when we start talking about the struggles that a woman goes through. And in the month of March, I read this book called Off Ramps and On Ramps. This is a book written by Sylvia and Ann Hewlett, and this has been published by Harvard Press Review. And this book actually made me realize that a lot of women also struggle when they take a break in their careers. And I'd like to emphasize that sometimes women have to take a break in their careers. It might not be their willing choice, but they have to because of the obligation to, either take care of their children or either take care of their ill parents or either take care of some of the family responsibilities. And when you're choosing to take a break from your career, there's also a lot of things that you're letting go, and that journey is definitely not easy. So, in the month of March itself, I also made a new friend, Mrs. Rajni Agrawal. So, she is a beautiful mother of 2 children, and she has done her chartered accountancy from Institute of Chartered Accountants in India, and she works as a stock analyst at Zacks Investment Research Company. So, yeah, I get confused with that name.
No problem.
So, yeah. And when होता ना जब हम लोग की बातें हो रही थी, so one day I just met her and then we had a conversation, and we had a very interesting conversation about the struggles that a woman goes through जब वो career में break लेती है. There's a lot of emotional struggles that a woman goes through. Like होता ना emotionally you're not always feeling confident when you're taking that career break. तो वो एक conversation मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, and I feel that even our audience should become aware of these things so that we can become more aware कि हाँ एक वुमेन को क्या फीलिंग्स होती है जब वो करियर में ब्रेक लेती है, एंड कैसे हम उसका जर्नी ईजी बना सकते हैं ताकि शी गेट्स बैक इनटू ट्रैक विद हर करियर. सो या टुडे आज हम उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. लाइक होता है ना करियर ब्रेक लेते वक्त what are some of the feelings that you go through, what are some emotions that you go through, and what can you do to what can the society do, what can we do as individuals to take that step towards empowering women, empowering mothers so that they can actually think of getting back to their careers. So yeah, when you decided to take a break in your career, you had to let go of your financial independence. How did that feel like?
Actually, when I became pregnant, we were very happy as a couple कि चलो अब एक नया बेबी आ रहा है हमारे घर में. But the second thing that came to my mind कि अब आगे क्या, अब जॉब का क्या होगा, अब आगे मेरी financial independence का क्या होगा. Because I was working as a stock analyst in a very good company, I was earning good amount of money, and we both were working, तो लाइफ अच्छा ही जा रहा था. But now a baby आ रहा है, तो either of us have to quit our job because we have to look after our baby. So अब कैसे करेंगे? So decide किया कि now I have to quit my job. No problem. अब 2 earning से अपने single earning में आ गए हैं. So you have to look after your finances also. खर्चा भी लिमिट में करना पड़ेगा. और secondly क्या है कि when I was earning, so I was completely independent. जितने भी खर्च करना है करो. खर्च करने से पहले उस टाइम भी we were discussing कि कैसे करना है नहीं करना है, बट कहीं ना कहीं अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस था कि दिस इज़ माई मनी, आई कैन स्पेंड ऑन माई सेल्फ, आई कैन स्पेंड ऑन माई फैमिली ऑल्सो. दैट टाइम ऑल्सो आई वॉज आस्किंग माई हस्बैंड विदाउट स्पेंडिंग एनीथिंग कि क्या करना है अपने को, बट वो एक कॉन्फिडेंस था वो अपने अंदर से चला गया कि नाउ दिस इज़ नॉट माई मनी, दिस इज़ हिज मनी, आई हैव टू आस्क हिम बिफोर स्पेंडिंग कि खर्च करना है या नहीं, कैसे करना है. First, I was a profit center, I was earning money, so he will also ask me कि क्या करना है कैसे करना है. But now I am a cost center, I am spending money, not earning anything. So वो confidence कहीं ना कहीं चला गया कि ये money मेरा नहीं है, उसका है and मैं सिर्फ खर्च कर रही हूँ. So this is not a good feeling.
I think, yeah, I can really relate to your answer because financial independence does give that boost to your confidence. It automatically boosts the confidence of a woman. And you know, once you have lived like in a way that you have experienced financial independence and then you have to let it go, it becomes very difficult. It can actually like, you know, hamper your confidence a lot. And I think iski wajah se hi, when women like, I have not experienced that phase, but I have seen like, you know, women who have like just received the news of pregnancy, they are happy, but at the same time there's a lot of mixed emotions also.
Yeah, कि now what will happen to them? Their self actually. उनके साथ अब क्या होगा? ये बहुत difficult है.
So yeah, choosing to become a mother is not easy because on one hand, yes, you are having a baby. It's good, but then you're also letting go of so many aspects of yourself.
Yeah.
You're letting go of that individuality. You're letting go of so much of your independence with that decision to become a mother. And I think with this, I'd like to like salute all the mothers. I'd like to also salute my mother who took the decision of bearing and rearing me, and in that process, she actually had to sacrifice a lot of her dreams. Like
Yeah, sure.
a salute to all the mothers out there. So you know, like when होता है ना, जैसे जब एक औरत सोचती है कि लाइक अब मैं अपने करियर पे चली जाऊँ, लाइक होता है ना अब मेरा बच्चा
Yeah,
बड़ा
yeah,
हो रहा है,
yeah.
अब मैं करियर पे चली जाऊँ, तभी बहुत एक फीलिंग ऑफ गिल्ट हो सकता है कि लाइक होता है ना शिट मेरा बच्चा तो पीछे रह रहा है, लाइक होता है ना आई एम नॉट अ गुड मदर, बिकॉज
Yeah,
दिस
yeah.
इज समथिंग दैट आई रेड इन एन आर्टिकल कि लाइक होता है ना एक मैन अगर अपना फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं निभा पा रहा है, इफ अ मैन इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू फुलफिल हिज फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, ही लुक एट इट वेरी डिफरेंटली. But a woman will look at it very differently. A woman will beat herself up like if she's not being able to fulfill her family responsibilities. So do you also go through, like, you know, do you also have these thoughts when you think of getting back into your career?
Yeah, yeah. Whenever I thought कि चलो अब जॉब पे वापस चलेंगे, the first thought that came into my mind कि who will look after my kids, who will look after them, because they have a habit कि उनको हर काम में मम्मी चाहिए कि मम्मी I want food, मम्मी I want this, मम्मी I want that. So this is a very difficult phase. सोचना ही इतना डिफिकल्ट है तो जाना कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा अपने आप में, या तो आई कैंट इवन थिंक ऑफ. एंड एक्चुअली हमारे सोशल अपने अंदर एक इनकैलकुलेट किया हुआ है कि दिस इज़ योर हाउस, दिस इज़ योर किड्स, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. अभी मम्मी फ़ोन करती है क्या बच्चा खा लिया, बच्चा पी लिया, दिस इज़ माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओनली. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू गो आउट तो यू हैव टू थिंक कि अब बच्चों का क्या होगा, हस्बैंड का क्या होगा, घर का क्या होगा. तो हम लोगों की क्या बोलते हैं अपब्रिंगिंग में ही कुछ हो गया थोड़ा सा.
I think, social conditioning also plays a very important role. Like in our society, a woman has been conditioned कि भाई हाँ तुम्हें तो घर का काम तो तुम्हें करना ही है. You have to take care of your family responsibilities. Like everything comes after that. I think that is one social conditioning that we have.
एक्चुअली एवरीथिंग कम्स विथ अ प्राइस. एक्चुअली डिग्री मुझे मिली सीए की, बहुत सब फैमिली में हैप्पी थे, बट साथ में उसके साथ ये पैटर्न भी आया कि नहीं, यू आर अ सीए, यू हैव टू वर्क आउटसाइड ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू अर्न मनी ऑल्सो, बट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर किड्स एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली ऑल्सो. No one is there to help you. No, they will help you, but this is your primary responsibility actually.
Yeah, so I think this is something that we really need to be mindful of कि हम एक women को बोल रहे हैं कि उसकी primary responsibility ही family को देखना है. When you know you're saying that, you're also filling her with guilt कि जब भी वो family responsibility नहीं देख पा रही तो she'll feel guilty ना that I'm not being able to fulfill my responsibilities. So I think social conditioning has like a massive like gap here, and we need to start raising men in a way that they are also taught that a family is your responsibility as well, and both of you have an equal responsibility to take care of the house.
Yeah. मतलब घर के लिए कुछ कर रहा है तो you are not helping her. This is your house and you are doing your house chores only. You are not helping anyone.
I think this is very true that you're not supposed to feel entitled कि I am helping. Oh my God, I'm becoming great. No, it's your family too. You have to. There's no choice.
Yeah.
But then I think now we need to start raising men who believe that it is their responsibility and they do not become entitled if they, they're not helping a woman by taking care of the household chores, but it is also their duty to do so.
Yeah.
We need to.
We need to raise our sons like that only.
Yeah, we definitely need to raise our sons like that. We definitely need to keep that in mind. So there was this very interesting interview that I listened to. So this interview was given by the former CEO of PepsiCo, Indra Nooyi, where she stated how a woman can't have it all. She very unabashedly stated that it's very difficult for a woman to, take care of everything all together, and she basically can't have it all. So what is your agreement or disagreement with this statement? Do you believe that a woman can or cannot have it all?
Actually, women I think can't have it all because some of my friends are working outside. तो उनके ऊपर ये टैग है कि they are working, they are not taking care of their babies, and they are earning money, but they are not a good mother because आप रात को घर आओगे, बच्चा कौन देखेगा, घर कौन देखेगा. And कुछ माएँ जो घर पे रहती हैं मेरी तरह स्टे एट होम मॉम है डिग्री के साथ, तो हम पे ये टैग है कि यू हैव सच अ गुड डिग्री एंड यू आर नॉट यूजिंग योर डिग्री. अपने माँ बाप का तो पूरा पैसा ही ख़त्म कर दिया, पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं, कुछ कमाया तो कुछ भी नहीं. सो वुमेन कांट हैव इट ऑल. अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो भी आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम है, आप घर पे रहकर बच्चा देख रहे हो तो भी आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम है.
I think the problem here is in the judgment that comes, like with whatever decision a woman takes, she is judged. Agar she is deciding to nahi, like I am going to like balance my career and my family together, she is judged कि भाई she's not inclined towards her family and let's judge her for that. And if a woman decides कि no, I'll take care of my family, I'll fulfill like my responsibility as a motherhood, as a mother or maybe as a daughter, then you're judging her कि like तुमने अपनी पढ़ाई का क्या किया. So we are judging women. I think the judgment
the judgment may problem.
The judgment is a big problem, and I think that is one of the major barriers that comes from the society. That narrows down the thought of a woman also. I think that is very important. So let's all start becoming mindful. Next time we feel like judging a woman, let's be mindful. Like, are we being fair enough in judging her? Do we really know her struggles?
Yeah, everyone has their own struggles. So before judging, we need to think.
And especially, I think this judgment comes easily to women also.
Yeah.
And not only in the social society, I think there's also a lot of judgment that comes into your professional work environment.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Like once you decide to once you decide to go back into your career, there might be a lot of judgment even in your professional work environment.
Yes, yes.
So what are your experiences and what are your thoughts about this?
अगर आप सोचते हो कि आपको जॉब पे वापस जाना है, फर्स्ट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल थिंक कि ये वुमेन तो 9 मंथ्स की छुट्टी लेकर आई है. दे डोंट थिंक कि प्रेगनेंसी इटसेल्फ इज़ अ वेरी टफ फेज. इफ़ अ वुमन कैन बियर दैट, शी कैन बियर एनीथिंग इन अ लाइफ. बट दे विल नॉट थिंक दैट. दे विल थिंक कि ये 9 मंथ्स की छुट्टी लेकर आई है. अब छोटा बेबी है, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज छोटा बेबी विल नीड मोर अटेंशन ऑफ हर मदर and she needs something. Sometimes vaccination के लिए जाना है, sometimes कुछ और जाना है, तो she will not take care of her job. So इसको तो किसी छोटी जगह डाल दो, या तो उसको स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना है. डिफरेंस पे स्केल पे है, डिफरेंस लेवल पे है. आप वापस जाने का सोचो तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी है एक्चुअली.
I think it also begins with the mindset. People have started considering कि like pregnancy को एक excuse करें.
Yeah. Like women are taking pregnancy as an excuse. जॉब से भागने का एक्सक्यूज़, जॉब कम करने का एक्सक्यूज़ कि आपको चाहिए पेड बराबर बट यू आर नॉट वर्किंग बराबर में. बट दिस इज़ नॉट द केस. हम लोगों को सिर्फ फ्लेक्सिबल टाइमिंग चाहिए कि हम काम अभी नहीं 1 घंटे बाद करना चाहते हैं, अभी हम बच्चा देखेंगे 1 घंटा बाद काम करेंगे. बट दिस इज़ नॉट द केस. उनको लगता है कि वी आर टेकिंग इट एज एन एक्सक्यूज़ कि नहीं उनको काम नहीं करना. सो वी नीड टू चेंज आवर माइंड सेट ऑल्सो.
I think, let's learn that pregnancy is not an excuse. It's not an excuse that a woman is making to, stop her progress or to stop her development. A woman does have the desire to grow and develop in her career, but she also might have the desire to become a mother. So motherhood and career can go together, and it's very important that we, in our professional works, maybe it's very important कि होता है ना, it should not be made a choice कि a woman can only choose either motherhood or her career. एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा जहाँ मदरहुड एंड करियर बोथ कैन गो टुगेदर. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक उसके लिए what do you think, like from your perspective, what do you think can like organizations do from their level ताकि एक वुमेन को करियर में वापस आने भी ईजी हो, और जैसे मैंने बोला कि लाइक होता है ना, मदरहुड और करियर को साथ ले जा सके एक वुमेन, उसके लिए क्या चीज़ कर सकता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन?
फर्स्टली आई थिंक दे शुड प्रोवाइड फ्लेक्सिबल वर्क टाइमिंग्स टू वुमेन कि ठीक है आप ये काम अभी नहीं थोड़ी देर बाद कर सकते हैं. एंड दे शुड प्रोवाइड प्रेस फैसिलिटी कि आप छोटी बेबी को भी वहाँ लाओ, हम थोड़ी देर बच्चा भी देख सके, काम भी देख सके, वैसे कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ हो. और सबसे पहले आप वुमेन को जज नहीं करो कि ठीक है.
आई थिंक फ्लेक्सिबल वर्क टाइमिंग्स का इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ना. अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम में वी ऑल डिड वर्क फ्रॉम होम, वी ऑल हैड फ्लेक्सिबल वर्क आवर्स.
Yeah.
सो डिड दैट अफेक्ट अस दैट मच? Maybe it's a very high time for us to also question that. कि like lockdown के time पे भी we did work from home and it did work out well, we had to. So why not like make it a regular practice in our organizations? Why not give more flexible work hours to women so that they can actually think ki, हाँ, I can take my career and motherhood together. So as we are moving to this end of towards the end of this conversation, before we wrap, is there anything else that you'd like to say so that it becomes easier for a woman to take a career break also and get back into a career like after she's taken that break well?
I think raise your sons and daughters in a similar fashion कि this is your house, this is your responsibility, you have to take care everything. जैसे हमने अपनी बेटियों को सिखाया आपको अंदर और बाहर दोनों का काम करना है, वैसे ही अपने बेटों को भी सिखाना है कि आपको अंदर और बाहर दोनों का काम करना है. This is your joint responsibility. किसी एक पर ये मेंटल प्रेशर ना आए कि ये घर आपका है, ये बच्चे आपके हैं. This is your joint responsibility.
Yeah, I think this is a very interesting point because there's this female teacher of mine that I look up to, and she once told me that, see, a family is equivalent to an organization. And just like it's very difficult for an organization to run with just one CEO taking care of everything, it's very difficult for a family to run with just one woman taking care of everything. Everyone has to contribute, everyone needs to be raised up equally, and everyone should be given that space so that they can actually live their dreams. Let's not let our dreams die. Like, for all the women out there, the one thing that I'd like to tell you is, do find a space for your dreams. Demand your husbands to help you, demand your partners to help you, demand your parents to help you, but do not let your dreams die. It's very important to have your dreams.
Actually, it's upon the women also कि अपना सपने को मरने नहीं देना. आप उसके लिए काम करोगे तो शायद कौन सी मूवी का है ना, पूरी कायनात आपको मिलाने के लिए मजबूर हो जाएगी. So don't let your dreams die actually.
Do not let your dreams die. I think this is an oath that all of us are taking today, that we are not going to let our dreams die. So thank you so much audience for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In my next episode, I'm going to be having a very interesting conversation. I'll not reveal the topic yet, but please stay tuned to my channel so that you can also catch up with that video. Bye!